I've never played this dog in my life.
Boy.
Oh my god. That's just abusive.
Holy shit. How are we supposed to step on pressure plates when there ain't no pressure plates? Found a pressure plate.
Space?
Quick shot.
Fuck!
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I'm not meleeing that thing. You're not sucking me.
Yeah, no one wants to suck you. Come on, bands, let's go. Alright, I'm about to kill some fucks. What the fuck?
Nope, 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 no, 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 no. No, 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 no. What the fuck?
Anything that's got a laser like that, that's a red flag right there.
Oh, dead. Burn damage. Dead.